Here is a quick guide on how to use the Andatech Sentry Breathalyser. The Andatech Sentry comes with a hard carrying case. It will include a user manual, blow caps, batteries, hand strap, and a micro USB cable. The Sentry's blow caps can be reused or replaced for hygienic use. An LED light that displays results and can light up in different colors. A display window, function buttons, and a battery cover. When using the Sentry, open the battery cover at the bottom. This cover can be opened or closed with a coin and does not require any special tools. After opening the cover, put in AA-sized alkaline or rechargeable batteries and close the cover. Once the batteries are in, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until battery levels and a warming up message is indicated on the display. When the window indicates go, it is now ready for testing. The subject must maintain a 2 to 3 cm distance from the blow cap at the top of the Sentry and blow lightly, as if blowing out a candle. The Sentry will then quickly analyze the breath sample and display the test results. If the subject did not breathe out hard enough, or when checking the alcohol content of a drink, press the power button once, at go mode, for manual sampling. At night, go to the light mode to use the LED lights. The Sentry can also be used for continuous testing. When the power button is pressed down for 3 seconds, the window will display OUT. Press it once more. It will display off and turn the power off. The Sentry's menu is displayed when the down button, located below the power button, is pressed and held down. The first mode, OLR, is a menu showing the latest test result, and displays the most recent result. 1CT is the mode that displays the number of tests conducted and shows 3 types. C1 is the number of tests conducted in the past 12 hours. C2 indicates the tests after calibration. And C3 is the total number of tests carried out. 2DP is the test result display mode, where DP1 indicates 3 levels, which are 0, low, and high, while DP2 indicates the approximate value in numbers. 3LE is the LED display mode. In LE1, all LED functions are turned off. LE2 shows only the test results. LE3 can be used in both standby and blow modes, and to display test results, while the light is always on. 4OF is the automatic power off mode. The timer can be adjusted to 30, 60, 300, 600, or 900 seconds. 5ST is the setting mode for the duration time of the test result that will be indicated on the display. The duration time of the test result to be indicated on the display can be adjusted, 1 second at a time, for up to 9 seconds. Lastly, 6CD indicates the days and times remaining until calibration. CDD indicates the days that remain until calibration, from 0 to 999 days. When the set date passes, it goes into CAD, which is the grace period. After the set date of the grace period, the display will indicate CAL, and can no longer be used. CDT indicates the number of test counts remaining until calibration, from 0 to 9,990 tests. After exceeding the set test times, it will go into CAT, which is the grace period. After the set time of the grace period, the display will indicate CAL, and can no longer be used. From the setting menu, you'll be able to return to go mode by pressing and holding down the up and down buttons at the same time. You can connect the Andatech Sentry Breathalyser directly to a PC, using the dedicated cable. The Sentry's software program allows you to customize the device's menu settings, and access and export the last 5,000 test records from the device. Check your Andatech Sentry user manual for more information on how to use the device, or contact Andatech for assistance.